Hello and welcome everyone. I have the pleasure of attending to Dr. Cherab Gupta here with me today, who's got a wonderful score in the NEET PG 2021. He's got a score of 625. Wow, wonderful marks that is. And he's got a rank of 1225 in the NEET PG 2021. Welcome Dr. Cherab Gupta at the DAMS session and at this interview as well. I hope you're liking the success, you're feeling it, you're having a good time.
Of course, I'm feeling very good that I've scored such good marks. And I've been a 3-year student of DAMS, and I did not have any idea about NEET PG preparation, how to go about it, and anything at all till my second year. I was just reading books and passing my profs. But since I joined DAMS, Sumesh sir, Tushar sir, they motivated me a lot, and I think they were very, very good mentors. More than teachers, they were good mentors to me. They guided me, and one basic thing that I did during these 3 years was make notes, attend classes and make notes. I was not able to study that much from the notes, but I was very, very, very avid to attend classes and to make notes in a very proper fashion. And again, then when I started my preparation during internship, when I actually started solving questions and reading the notes and making concepts, so my notes are very, very helpful, and multiple reads of the notes was the only thing that I did. I did not refer to any standard textbook. I don't know if I should say this, but I have never read any standard textbook, be it Robbins, be it Harrison's. I've never read it. I've just relied on the notes that DAMS has given to me. And
let me add here that Dr. Cherab Gupta comes from Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, New Delhi. And as he has already mentioned that he was a 3-year regular course student. Dr. Cherab, tell me one thing, that is it a trend in your college that students join DAMS early, or were you an exception to this?
No, actually a lot of people joined DAMS, but everyone was very, very skeptical कि यार 12 घंटे हम कैसे एक साथ एक क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. But of course our first class was taken by Dr. Tushar and everyone was like यार अगर ये classes हैं तो फिर तो हम join कर सकते हैं. He was so good. पूरे 12 घंटे किसी को भी थकावट महसूस नहीं हुई. And मतलब it was a trend that everyone used to do DAMS. So that's why I started it. I did not intend to join a PG curriculum before that, but everyone was doing it, so I did it. But the main factor behind my success would be that I continued it till the very end. I used to do T&Ds regularly. I used to make notes regularly. I think that was the main factor.
3 years regular course, you said you have been associated with DAMS. That means in your second prof you had joined. Oh, in your third prof, you have joined DAMS. Okay, but don't you think third prof was a little hectic also on the duty side and, attending to classes? Secondly, I would like to know from you, how was the DAMS study material, that is the concept books, which were earlier known as the CRS, has helped you anyway?
Yeah, of course, it was hectic. Third year, you start clinical subjects, and in DAMS, you're studying final year subjects. So it actually gets more interesting. You move on from pre-clinical, paraclinical subjects where you have to cram a lot to these clinical subjects where you can actually correlate. So studying medicine in DAMS and studying ophthalmology in college, it was actually quite useful. The mix of it. You were getting clinical skills from medicine, and you were applying that in other subjects as well. And what was your second question?
How were the DAMS books useful to you?
Yeah, the DAMS question bank, I'd say most of in the DAMS app, DAMS question banks, the clinical vignettes, the previous year image-based questions, the talking CRS, they were immensely helpful to my preparation. I couldn't have done it without.
Did you attend any of the DVTs that DAMS conduct, or the CBTs that has been given to students for refreshing and evaluating?
I actually could not attend DVT because I had some personal reasons, but I did attend 2 or 3 subjects. I think I attended psychiatry, I attended neurology. So they were immensely helpful, and I genuinely regret that I did not attend the entire DVT. And about psychiatry, I just took one class from Dr. Sachin, and I fell in love with the subject. Only in TND. I was not taught by him during my regular courses, but during TND I genuinely fell in love with the subject.
And the CBT did you take?
I took computer-based tests, and it obviously helped me in identifying my problem areas and my weaknesses.
One quick word about the DAMS evaluation system, that is the tests that we conduct and the questions that have been given to you, while you were revising or taking tests for various subjects. Did these questions appear in the exam also?
I would not say that directly the questions appeared, but yes, the clinical approach towards the questions. I haven't seen any. The questions which were so clinically integrated that in DAMS, other platforms don't provide you that. And the approach that I developed to these clinical questions, which were forming majority of the questions in NEET PG 2021, were DAMS based.
So have you made up your mind which branch you're going to opt, or you're still evaluating?
I'm actually confused between orthopedics and general surgery.
Before we wind up this conversation, any message you would like to give to your juniors or fellow doctors who are doing MBBS right now about joining DAMS?
I'd just like to say that the faculties here are amazing, and even though they tell you to study regularly, but I know that gets very, very hectic. Even if you can't do that, I'd advise you to at least attend the classes and make your own notes. Purchasing notes is very easy, but it's really, really difficult to revise them once you're starting your preparations. So making your own notes and attending classes is the key.
They should join DAMS or not?
Yeah, they should definitely join DAMS, because this is the only platform which provides you with face-to-face coaching, and with so much mentorship, so much guidance. You can call your faculty anytime. You have a Facebook page. You can ask your doubts anytime. So DAMS is, I think, the best resource available for you.
Thank you very much. And that was Dr. Cherak Gupta with us in the Ask and Meet session today. Wish you all the best, and once again I repeat here, he had got a score of 625 in the NEET PG 2021 and a rank of 1225. Wish you all the best, doctor. Whatever you do in life, you're going to excel. Thank you.